The second you start scripting is the second you start turning into a newsreader, not someone passionately sharing what they love on the internet. Remember, the video is to show who you are, your personality. You're not going to be showing your personality if you are reading from a script. Hello, my name. Okay, a line at a time, line at a time, a line at a time. So let's do it, a line at a time, shall we? Yeah, baby. Okay. What I'm going to do is I am going to be sharing my video with you right now. So here's what's important right now. I have got my camera on a tripod pointing at me. Okay. In the video screen, my eyes are bang in the middle. Let me see if I can share this with you. So as you can see here on my screen, can you all still hear me okay? I hope so. Can't actually see anything right now. You are going to make sure that your eyes are in the middle of the grid. This is super duper important. So you see here, I've got a grid of 3 at the top, in the middle, and along the bottom. Please make sure that your eyes are in the middle square. This is really important for social media content, because when you go into TikTok, Facebook, and Instagram, this visual screen changes size. So you need to make sure that you're in the middle, so that if it crops that way, you're not going to have your head chopped off. If it crops down this way, you're not going to have your head chopped off. Really important that you stay in that middle frame when you are filming. Now, if you don't have these grid lines on your phone, you can actually go into the camera settings and turn on grid lines. ChatGPT can help you say, I have an XYZ phone. How do I turn on the grid lines on my camera? It will tell you exactly how to find it. I use ChatGPT for everything these days. All right, so now what I'm going to do is I have those tips open on my screen, and I am literally going to do this one line at a time. So the next thing I'm going to show you is I'm going to just take you back to my, not that page. Again, have I sat here and memorized any of this? No. Did you watch me literally create this from scratch today? Yes. I have not memorized any of this, but here's what I'm going to do. Now, I am going to press record on my phone. And here's the important part, guys. I am absolutely not going to press stop at any point. I'm going to keep the recording playing. This is critical, because if I keep pausing the video, if I keep stopping the video, I'm going to have to stitch together 10,000 different pieces of content when I go to edit this. And that is going to be a nightmare.